So in this video, I'm going to go over this sump pump that I got in here and just show you everything you get with it. So I've already taken it out and kind of looked over it. Pretty simple setup on this thing. You get the attachment that screws in right here just like that. You guys see that? So we are set right there. Just your standard style garden hose. That's why I like this one so much. My other one had this big long blue hose that was a little annoying, so I kind of didn't want to use it anymore. You get some thread tape, so you can use some thread tape. A little owner's manual right here. So right here, some of the specs on this thing. It's 110. It's a half a horsepower. It's 2.5 amps, so it's a 25-foot hose, and the max flow gallons per hour is 1,800 gallons per hour at 5 feet on a 5-foot hose. Power cord length is 25 foot, just like I thought, 5 foot. So here's the breakdown of the performance of this thing. 5 foot, you're going to get 18, 10, 12, 25, obviously 0, but then 20, because you got to realize how powerful this thing is. This is not a super powerful pump. This is something you'd want to use if you had a flooded basement or anything like that. What I'm going to do for y'all in this video is I'm just going to show you how this thing works. I'll put it down in some water and see how fast it can squirt out. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's put the hose on here and let's get this thing to test. Okay, let me show you what I got going on right here. So you see how I put the hose on here? I put some thread tape on there. All the hose is ready. Now we can drop this down in here like this. So let's see how fast it can empty a 5-gallon bucket. Now there's no on and off switch on these things. It looks like as soon as you hit the button, as soon as you plug it in, it's gonna start. So let me go over here. I'm gonna plug it in my shed. It just instantly started. Look how fast that's coming out of there, everybody. That is impressive. Holy crap. That has way more power than I thought it would. So 5 gallons, look how fast. I can feel the pressure on this thing. Well, that's pretty much it. So it emptied this 5-gallon bucket. I would say we're looking at we're completely empty right now. Now it's sucking air. You can see right here, I've got no more. So I just unplugged it there. Everybody, I was really impressed with this thing. I think that went super fast for what you get. Yeah, everybody, I emptied that 5-gallon bucket in just a matter of a few seconds. That's how fast this thing will work. This is a handy item for anyone that's got a basement or they need an area where they need to flood out some water. It starts overfilling in my crawl space. I'll put this down in my crawl space and it's gonna blow out all of the water that will get down in there. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think this is a good, affordable option for anyone that's just looking for a little small sump pump to kind of get the water out. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Rain Bro sump pump. See y'all in the next video.